How to fix Telegram API bot errors. When Telegram bots are not responding or giving errors, the issue is often in the bot code or API settings. First, check the status of the Telegram bot API to make sure there's no outage. Then verify your bot token from BotFather. If the token was regenerated or expired, it will stop working. In your bot's code or webhook, check that you are using the correct API endpoints and parameters. Also, make sure server's SSL certificate is valid if you are using webhooks. For simple bots, deleting and recreating them through BotFather often resolves issue. Have you ever built a bot on Telegram? Let me know how it went in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.